Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen. This is very simple. The first thing you have to do is to right click, properties, go to compatibility and press run this program in Windows 8 compatibility mode and run this program as an administrator, press accept and try if that works. So if this doesn't work, you have to do the next thing. You have to press the Windows and R key to get this Windows, and you have to write local app data. So you press it, and then here you have to find Riot game, and here you will be able to find the Valorant folder. So you right click this folder and delete it, and once you have deleted this folder you will be able to play Valorant. So if this video was useful for you and helped you, please subscribe, comment, share, like, press the bell in the subscription button, and see you next time in another easy way video.